Imagine getting a call from your portfolio company's CEO requesting an urgent wire authorization. His voice sounds perfect, his speech patterns match exactly, even that habit of clearing his throat before mentioning dollar amounts. Except, it's not him at all. This isn't science fiction anymore. Deepfake fraud hit financial services for over $410 million in just the first half of this year. BlackRock recently uncovered $400 million in losses from synthetic documents and fabricated materials. The technology that once required Hollywood studios now runs on consumer laptops in real time. Here's what makes it so dangerous for hedge funds and private equity firms. We built our security around simple assumption that authentic human interaction is verifiable. Deepfakes shatter that foundation. Think about how much of your leadership's voices are available online. Earnings calls, conference presentations, podcast interviews. That's more than enough training data for a convincing voice clone. The recent Axios hack showed exactly how this works. North Korean hackers used real-time face swapping during video calls to trick developers into installing malware. It worked because people trust what they see and hear. FinCEN didn't issue their recent alert about deepfakes media lightly. They warned that the standard identity verification is failing against AI-generated fraud. The financial services industry built security frameworks around human authenticity. Deepfake technologies fundamentally challenge that assumption. We help firms adapt their verification processes before they become the next $400 million headline, because in an era of synthetic media, seeing and hearing is no longer believing.